YouTube channel. My name is Isikak, and in this channel I make videos on how to make money online, right? How to make money online with a smartphone mainly, right? So if you are here for the first time, please kindly like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop important videos on how to make money online, you'll be among the first persons to take part in it. Alright, so thank you and welcome once again. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a site that will enable you to make money online even if you've never made money online before. Alright, so stay tuned and please make sure you watch this video to the end, because at towards the end of this video I'm gonna share with you something that will will keep on putting money in your pocket if you take action. All right, it is something that I've done over time, and a whole lot of people are doing it and they are seeing results. Okay, so please make sure you watch this video to the end, because what I'm about to share with you is something that will definitely make you some couple of bucks, but the one that I will share with you towards the end of this video is what you can turn up to be your lifetime income. All right, so right away let's dive into this website. All right, so the name of this site is called Sprout Gigs. All right, so here is it. This site is just like Fiverr, and Pico Worker. All right, but then most people come here to do jobs, while some come here as employers. Right, so there are basically two set of persons that are here. Some group of persons come here for 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 jobs, while others come to employ others, to do their jobs. Okay, meanwhile there are still some people who are here to sell their gigs. Right, for instance, if you have a skill, or you are a graphic designer, any form of skill you have, any form of online skill you have, all right, you can put up your gig here, and those that are here to employ will hire you to do their job for them. Okay, so but then in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from this site as a beginner, even as a teenager, or as a student. All right, it is pretty very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you can click on and sign up. All right, to sign up is not hard, it is pretty much simple. Okay, so all you have to do is to click the link in the description below and sign up. Why you've not seen my earnings so far is because I've not really started doing much on this side. I just let me share it with you because I've seen a whole lot of people do it and they are making money with it. Okay, right away let me show you how it is done. After you finish signing up, this is how it will appear. Okay, it will appear like this interface it will lead to this interface, and then all you need to do is to click on these three dotted icons by your left. When you click on it, it will drop down like this. Okay, and then before you in the process of signing up, you will be asked if you're setting up as an employer or a worker. All right, so you choose worker if you are looking for a job. If you're signing up for doing tax, okay, you sign up as a worker. But if you're looking for people to work for you, you sign up as an employer. All right, so how do you get jobs in this platform? This is how you do it. This place that you see micro jobs, right, you click on micro. You see, as you can see, after gigs you see micro jobs. You click on it. All right, it will drop down like this. Then you can see find jobs, finished tax, satisfied, pending. Okay, so after you've done jobs, okay, it will appear here. The job that you've completed will appear where you see finished tax. Then satisfied, when the owner have verified that is okay with your job, it will appear here. And then pending review is the one that the your employer have not yet, verified. Okay, so right now let's go to find jobs, sorry. When you click on find jobs, it will take you to another interface where you will see a whole lot of tasks available. Okay, all right, so this is how it is. Okay, for instance, this person here is offering $0.30 for sign up plus auto KYC. Okay, let's say you want to do this tax now. So what you need to do is to click on it. All right, so it will take you to this interface, and then another thing you need to check is if your country is excluded. You can see here excluded country. Please, if you check here and your country is excluded, don't do the tax. All right, please don't do it. Make sure you always check here to see if your country is excluded. But for this one, my country Nigeria is not excluded, so I can go ahead and do the tax. All right, so this is how it is. What you need to do now is to scroll down and read through what is expected from workers. Right, you can see here, open a new window with no other site. You copy this link here, and paste it on your browser. All right, after pasting it on your browser, you click on claim your free crypto. All right, then after claiming your free crypto, and then you click a wallet and sign up with your email. I've already signed up with this, but I've not completed my KYC. I don't want to do it again. Right, so sign up with your email. You will promptly be logged in. Claim the 100 tokens on the pop-up menu that appears. Go to settings, then type 2, click on verify. As you're signing up, you will see this type 2. All right, click on it, click on verify me, and complete KYC. The moment you complete KYC, it will appear on this site that you've completed, and your earnings will be on pending. After that, you take screenshots. All right, you take screenshots after submitting documents for verification. You can see the job is only for new users. Don't duplicate photos as manual verification is done. Okay, so this is how it is. Guys. Let me just see if I can. Let me see if I can. Uh, okay, so let's see how it goes. I want to see if I can do this job again, because I don't want to get into trouble, because I've already done it. What is left now is for me to do KYC, then it will appear here. Alright, so for the sake of this video, let me do it this way. You can see, you click on this link, right? You copy it, you open a new tab, paste it. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. I think my network is a little bit slow. Please bear with me. Uh, let's just give it some time, guys. Let's give it some time of, I'm from the third world countries, so at times our network can be slow. So please bear with me. All right, so you can see here, claim your free crypto. So you click on claim your free crypto. Man, don't know why this thing is taking long time, guys. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want it to be long, guys. I don't want it to be long. Come on, come on. So, guys, this is how it is. This is how it is. Come on, come on. Alright, so it will appear here, right? Why my is like this is because I've already done this, but I've not completed my KYC. So, in your own case, the moment you get to this interface, you will see that title verify me. Alright, that's how it's gonna appear. So all you need to do is to sign up, right, using your email address. Sign up and verify, and it will appear in your dashboard. Make sure you complete your KYC. I've been kind of very busy, that's why I've not completed my KYC. Alright, so for you, please try and complete your KYC so that it will be recorded in your dashboard. Okay, so that's it, guys. And secondly, there's something very important I would like to share with you guys so that you don't end up wasting your time with this, these guys. Okay, so there are some set of persons that might, all in the name of trying to give you a job, right? So that's what I want to clarify now, right? I don't want you to waste time doing something that will not give you money, that will not, be counted. In this side, there are a whole lot of guys that are just out to waste your time. Those are the set of guys that are into CPA, right? They are into CPA, so they will give you some kind of trash jobs to do. At the end of the day, it won't be recorded and you won't get paid. Okay, so please, I want you to try and avoid those kind of tags. Let me show you an example of such tags. Okay, you can see. Let me show you. I'm not sure of these ones. Any tag that tells you to complete survey, right, guys? Any tag that tells you to complete survey, download, some kind of stupid stuff, don't do it. Trying to use your email to, to get paid on CPA. Okay, so don't do it. Any tag that tells you to complete survey before you can earn, it's trashy. Don't do it. All right, don't try it at all. It is scam. All right, don't do it. Make sure you do tax that includes, most of the tax you should do is this sign up and KYC. Right, any tax that tells you to download files, don't do it. It is trashy. You're not gonna get paid. All right, there are some kind of, you know um, kind of guys that are trying to waste people's time in the name of, you know doing CPA. Okay, so don't try it. Right, just make sure you do thorough verification. Do more of sign up and avoid all those download, some kind of stupid file. All right, so guys, that's it. That's it for this video. And if you stay consistent with these guys, you can make a couple of bucks for sure. Make a couple of bucks every single day. All right, so guys, like I promised, I told you guys, towards the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you something that will, you know put a whole lot of cash in your pocket if you take action, right? So guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. All right, it is something that I've done over time and it has paid me so well. In fact, that's kind of my major source of income, right? And it is not just, you know, learning, you know, doing it. It is doing it and learning from the right person, right? And what am I talking about? That's KDP, right? I know some of you must have heard about KDP. A whole lot of people have tried KDP and quit it. But then, guys, if you do KDP from the best guy, from the main person, from someone that knows how to do it properly, guys, you will definitely come back to tell me thank you, right? So right there in my description, I'm gonna leave a link. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and the link of the person that actually learned KDP from. Right, that guy is good. That guy is so good, man. If you try it, you will definitely come back to tell me thank you. Right, it's not just about going about learning on YouTube. What you learn on YouTube will not give you enough, will not give you enough result, but what you learn from, someone that have proven to have done it over and over again, that's the one that if you take action will definitely, put a smile on your face. So guys, click on the link below and go through the landing page. Just go through it. If you're comfortable with it, take action and thank me later. Right? So guys, at this point, if you've not subscribed, turn on the bell icon. Please do so. Right? Kindly subscribe and give me a like, and make sure you turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop important videos, you'll be among the first persons to take part in it. All right? And don't forget to click on that link and the second link to take action. All right? Thanks a lot. Thanks very much for your time.